Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, we are going to be making magwinya, fat cakes. If you don't know what magwinya is, I'll leave links somewhere up here, guys. Go check the videos for magwinya. You will learn a lot about magwinya from those two videos. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, and mix well. Next, create a well in the middle, add cold water, and mix well until all the flour is moistened. Now use your hand to knead. Then we're gonna add butter and continue to knead the dough until it's soft and pliable. This should take 5 minutes. And if the dough is too sticky, sprinkle about a tablespoon of flour on the sides and continue to knead. The dough looks good. Now it's time to portion it and fry it. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then divide the dough into balls. Then create a hole in the middle and fry the dough 3 to 4 minutes per side. Make sure, guys, you fry the dough on medium-low heat. Otherwise, it's gonna brown on the outside and not cooked all the way through in the inside. After 4 minutes, flip the dough and continue to fry the other side for another 4 minutes. Repeat the same process until all the dough is used up. Remove the dough and place on a cooling rack. This recipe is very easy to make and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Boi's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Like the video, guys. It really helps this channel to grow. There you have it, guys. Magwinya. Enjoy with tea, coffee, or soup. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.